All right, so we've got a treat for you right here. This is a new algo that we built called Reset Killer, and we are making this one 100% absolutely free. It is already on TradingView in public. You can go on and find it in your indicator list. Here is the metrics for 1 year. First of all, we are using the 5-minute chart right here. So if you go to Canvas, you can see it real quick. I'll put on ticker video description there. 5-minute charts. We are using bar magnifier on bar close, standard OHLC candles. The inputs are as follows. And this is designed to pass prop firm accounts. It takes 1 trade a day, and it does a pretty good job. This is 1 year of data, making 62,000, almost 63, with 7,800 in max equity, 56% when we at 1.5 profit factor. As you can see on your cumulative P&L over here, it never goes into red. It does have red days. With account management, you can certainly limit these right here where it closes out before it even gets to that. And with cross trade, that is possible. It has built-in account management features that has daily loss limits and trailing profit locks and all kinds of things. So when we do get into a bad day, we can limit those losses. So it probably does a little bit better than the report will do because you can kind of micromanage that. But here is the cumulative profit all the way through. And this is using, again, 5 minutes OHLC candles. It is designed for NQ or MNQ, and it will not work on any other asset. Okay. It is specifically designed based on the flow of this asset, and you would need to use that. It's perfect for passing prop firm accounts. You can go through all the stats here. You can go look at all these by yourself. Just head over to the indicators tab and type in Reset Killer, and you will find it. Once you get in there and you look at it, you'll see information on setting up and whatever you need to do and how to use this stuff. And it's all there. If you need help, you can always come into our Discord or hit up our website and we will give you a hand. But I wanted to introduce this to everybody and let them know that this is a free script that we are allowing the public to use. Obviously, our premium scripts, you can go ahead and subscribe to our services if you want to use them. But this is kind of like an entry level into what we do over here with the First Light Beacon. Again, if you have any questions, go to our website, firstlightbeacon.com, and you can join our Discord, or you can request to see a demo, and I can go through a demo of this with you. And we also have install services if you need help installing everything you need to make this work. All right, have a good day.